extension, Airwrap. Pinwheel, extension, Airwrap. Pinwheel, extension, Airwrap. Pinwheel, extension, Airwrap. And I think coming out of that extension and really giving yourself that gift of time so that you are actually at a full 180 here can help you have more time to go into the Airwrap itself. Okay, and then we can go the other way, right? So counterclockwise, which would be clockwise to you. Extension, Airwrap, extension, Airwrap, extension, Airwrap, extension, Airwrap, extension, Airwrap. So let's do the lockout, Airwrap, lockout, Airwrap, lockout, Airwrap. I would almost expect this one to be the easiest one. But maybe not at that pace. Lockout, Airwrap, lockout, Airwrap, lockout, Airwrap. And then let's go the other way. So this is your clockwise, my anti-clockwise. Lockout, Airwrap, lockout, Airwrap, lockout, Airwrap, lockout, Airwrap, lockout, Airwrap, so on. So then we could take the lockout and we could connect it to the pinwheel, right? Pinwheel, lockout, Airwrap, pinwheel, lockout, Airwrap, pinwheel, lockout, Airwrap, pinwheel, lockout, Airwrap, pinwheel, lockout, Airwrap. Or we could take our lockout, weave, lockout, Airwrap, lockout, weave, lockout, Airwrap, lockout, weave. And I turned to my right from clockwise to go into overhand. But I could do the Airwrap, lockout, turn left to underhand. Airwrap, lockout, underhand. Overhand on your right. I missed one of the lockouts there. Whoops, lockout, weave. You could also just do one lockout, one Airwrap, one weave. One lockout, one Airwrap, one weave. Or if you prefer, skip the first lockout if it's easier and go weave, Airwrap, lockout, weave, Airwrap, lockout, if that's easier. Both for overhand and underhand. With just repeatedly doing them and trying to, you know, just all you do is just do them. I mean, that one feels so much better. It looks so much better. The one that you couldn't do in, yes, the one that you couldn't do with the spiral, you can't do with the Airwrap because you don't know the behind the back cap yet, but this one is, it's a fun one. And then this is the other way. My weak way. My weak way! For freak's sake.